Good morning internet, it is 8:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the first real day here in Quito, Ecuador. And check out the place where I'm staying. This is an Airbnb that I rented and it is so cool. It's like a loft house. So upstairs over there, there's the bathroom and then the bedroom is over there. And then you got living room, kitchen, and then an office area, dining room. So I'm really happy to stay here. I'm actually the first guest, they told me, since the start of the pandemic. So that tells you a little bit about that tourism is definitely for sure not restarted in Ecuador at all. There are no tourists around. And so I'm the first guest again after a really long time to stay here, which is pretty cool. And anyway, the biggest news I'm immediately going to tell you is that I just checked and Alaska has also arrived here in Quito this morning, like an hour ago. So that is super good news. So now the next big challenge is here, and that means trying to get Alaska custom cleared and out of the airport. So what I'm going to do, I have had contact with a local agent, but it was all a little bit last minute, which was my fault. I'm not really sure, they don't really know I'm coming. I said I would come Tuesday morning if the bike is here, but I don't really have a contact person yet and anything like that. But I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna rock up at their office. Hopefully one person is gonna come with me to the airport and help me with all the custom clearance. So that's the plan. So I'm just going to put my jacket on. I'm gonna bring my helmet, of course, because the idea is to ride Alaska out of the airport. I'm not sure if they'll let me. Officially, probably not, but the other two times in Oman and also in Argentina, I also managed to do that. So I'm just gonna try again and see if it works. Right. As you can see, it is raining. I think I have picked not the best time of the year to be in Quito or to be in like the higher mountains of Ecuador. It is raining everywhere, and I looked at the weather forecast and it's going to be raining the whole week and the next week. So I might have to change my plans a little bit based on the weather. I've obviously been super spoiled with, wait, there's another door here. I've been super spoiled with the weather in Southern Africa. I never had to look for the weather forecast or anything like that. It was just blue skies and sunshine every day. But of course, that's not really the case all the time everywhere in the world. So I'm staying in the historical center of Quito, which is really cool. Most of the historical center, it's all auto free, so you're not allowed to come there with cars and motorbikes and everything. But I'm staying just on the edge, just one street away from the auto free zone. There we go. Ta-ta! Welcome to a rainy Quito. I'm gonna see if I can try to find a taxi that will take me to the agent. Oh, there's one. Oh, another one. Wait for me. Hola. Buenos días.
¿A dónde?
Edificio Parque Central. ¿Conoces ese?
¿Dónde
Es en la esquina de Avenida de los Chires y Avenida Eloy Alfaro. Avenida de los Chires.
Ya, Chires y Eloy Alfaro.
Y Eloy Alfaro, sí.
Ya.
La esquina.
Vámonos.
Ok, gracias. Que le vaya bien.
Gracias.
Adiós. This building here, I think it's this one. Let me see if I can find the right building. Hola. Hola. Busco Torres y Torres. Okay, so I am now with Byro, no? Byro, and he works for the local agent that is helping me to fetch Alaska. And what we first did, we went to the bank. I had to deposit $5 in the bank, and I'm not really sure what it was for. And now we just came from immigration. I got another paper, and that means that with this paper we can now go to the airport and then hopefully sort out all the custom stuff. So that is the plan. So as always, it's a little bit of a mission, but step by step we're getting there, and all of this is done. So now let's get to the airport. It is now 5:30. It took the whole day to get all the papers done and to get custom clearance. It was not easy, but it's done. So now quickly going to unpack Alaska. I have to reconnect the battery, check some fuel in the tank, and then off we go. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, muchas gracias. Buenas noches. Ciao, adiós. Here we go, here we go. What a day, what a day. Oh, it all took so long. It took so long. It is now already dark. And I'm now riding back to my Airbnb. It all worked out in the end. It just took a long time. Especially with customs, they were just having some questions, and getting the temporary import permit. That was basically the hardest thing. And then on the last moment, they wanted the original airway bill, which had to come still from the airlines. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm here. Alaska is here. Yes! I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm gonna just end this video now because I have to find my way back to my Airbnb. It's a 30-minute ride, but it's already getting dark, so I must pay a little bit more attention. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.